Hi! In this video, you learn how to manipulate Unity's time using a simple node, the TimeScale node. Let's go! If you want to create slow motion effects, or maybe pause the game, when you open the pause menu, you may want to pause the game entirely. You can do that by changing Unity's time scale. You can see the Unity time scale by going to Edit, Project Settings, and here you have Time. I'm gonna put this here so we can see it. Right now it's set to 1. And let's press play. I have a rotating cube and it has an animation, a rotation animation. And if I set the time scale to 0, it will stop. So this is a time stop. Let's say 0.5, it's a bit slower. Let's go to 1, 2, 3, 5, you get the idea. But you cannot do that in at runtime because you do not have the editor. You can access this via the code, or you can use a TimeScale node. So let's see it in action. So you just set the scale at which the time is passing. Let's say I'm gonna add a TimeScale node between 1 and 2. So let's create a system, TimeScale. And here you have two options. You can either set the new timescale instantly or over a set duration. You can animate the change. And I will show you the different options. First of all, I'm going to use this as a reset. So when I come back from 2, I want to reset the timescale to 1. Let's put it here. Let's create one more timescale node. And this is the one that will do all the magic. So you can see it. So let's say 0.2. You can see here the current timescale is 1 and it can change. This is the value that I was talking about. And this is the target timescale that this node will set. Will it animate value? No. So let's press play and let's check it out. So we're lowering the timescale instantly. Let's go here. Actually, yeah. Let's make this a bit smaller. All right. So if we go to the second node, the timescale is 2. Let's go back. The timescale becomes 1. Now let's animate this. So let's animate the value. And let's say go to 10. This will spin the cube up. Actually, it's a bit much. Let's go to 4 in 2 seconds. And yeah, let's press play and check it out. So the current timescale is 1 and it will go to 4 in 2 seconds. And now it goes up and the cube spins faster and faster. Let's go back and it's back to 1. Let's say, okay, wait in this node until you animate. So you won't see the second view until the timescale reaches 4. So let's just enable this option and you will see that the UI will show nothing until this goes faster. So let's go to 2, nothing, and now it appears. And that's it for the timescale node. You can set whatever value you want, let's say 0 in 3 seconds. And now it goes slower and slower. There you go. Let's go back to 1. And let's say in 0.5 seconds without waiting, go to 0. Now, and let's return. And that's it. That's it for the timescale node. Thank you very much.